Are you struggling with coping with the increased levels of complexity in your systems, in your products, and in your services inside your organisation? Are you finding it difficult to communicate with stakeholders at different levels in a way that's not only meaningful to you, but is also meaningful to them? And also, are you sure that you understand all the key aspects of your system throughout its entire life cycle? My name's Jon Holt, and I'll be delivering a series of courses focused on model-based systems engineering right here in the Netherlands on behalf of the High Tech Institute. In terms of what you can expect from the course and the course outcomes, you can expect a thorough grounding in the fundamentals of model-based systems engineering, what model-based systems engineering is, and also, just as importantly, what model-based systems engineering is not, because there are many myths and misconceptions surrounding the whole area. We'll be talking about the key concepts that you must understand in order to be able to deploy model-based systems engineering effectively. We'll also be talking about how model-based systems engineering is a natural evolution of our more traditional, or sometimes referred to as document-based, systems engineering, in that it's nothing new, but it's a natural reflection of the way that our systems have evolved over time. We'll be discussing modelling and exactly what we mean by modelling and what the benefits for you in your organisation will be when you apply modelling. We'll be talking about some of the notations that we might want to be using and the many notations that are out there. We'll take this thorough grounding and we'll then work on this and we'll build on this as a foundation by taking you through some examples and some exercise classes. We'll cover areas such as system structures, also interfaces at many different levels of abstraction. Functions we'll also be covering, and how they relate to things like requirements and requirements modelling. But these techniques are no good unless we've got a good solid approach in place. So we'll be talking about the two main aspects to the approach. The framework that provides a blueprint for the model and focuses on the information that we need to produce and consume and manipulate. And also we'll be talking about the processes. The processes are what show us the steps we need to go through in order to use this model effectively, and how the combination of these processes and this framework give us a very solid approach to MBSE. But on top of this, we'll be giving you something extra. We'll be talking about how you actually deploy MBSE successfully in your organisation. We'll be talking about how to identify and define the benefits that you want to achieve with MBSE, how to manage the expectations of your stakeholders, and how to demonstrate that you've delivered and can meet and satisfy those expectations. We'll be doing this by looking at your current MBSE capability alongside your target MBSE capability. Combine that with your current MBSE evolution or maturity, if you like, and what your target MBSE maturity wants to be as well. The combination of these three things, the benefits, the capability, and the maturity, will give us the inputs that we need to define a thorough, consistent, and coherent and powerful strategy to deploy MBSE within your organisation. My name's Jon Holt, and I look forward to meeting you all when we start to deliver these courses in the latter part of 2022. I look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you for listening.